Hey there, there's so much of news of MPOP circulating in our communities. Is there something that we can do to prevent it? Yes, you're in the right place. We at Nutrition with Vibha put together 5 essential things that you can do to keep our body in the best immune space possible to prevent this infection of MPOX. Vitamin C is fantastic to boost our immunity. So let's fill our diets with a lot of fresh fruits, especially citrus fruits, lime and lemon in our diets, and also fresh green leafy vegetables and other vegetables which are plentiful in our diet. Next up, zinc. Zinc is great to boost immunity because it really builds up our WBCs or our immune protector cells. So where do we get the zinc from? Whole grains, not processed. Whole grain cereals, whole grain pulses, nuts and oil seeds, and other seeds like pumpkin, flaxseed, etc. is fantastic for zinc. Also, non-vegetarians' liver is a great source of zinc. So let's up our zinc levels. Of course, how can we forget omega-3 fatty acids? These special fatty acids are fantastic to keep our immune system really going strong. And where do we get them? Walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, fatty fish like salmon, pomfret, also in some oils like mustard oil, soybean oil, wonderful sources of omega-3. So let's learn to include omega-3 into the diet. The fourth important thing is gut health. A gut working right means our immune system is going to be strong. And what do we do for keeping the gut health well? We need to eat probiotic foods like curds including the diet, or different kinds of pickles if present, which is not made with a lot of salt and a lot of spices. Just pickled with a little bit vinegar or lime is wonderful. And also fermented foods are great. But we must keep the food for the microorganisms ready, which is a lot of green leafy vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and oil seeds if present. It really boosts up the amount of good bacteria that we have in the gut. And lastly, hydration. Be adequately hydrated so that our cells are in optimum condition to fight the infection. So here are those tips with regards to nutrition that we can follow. Also remember, rest well, sleep well, stress less, and take care of your surroundings. Wash hands well and take adequate care. If you see any symptoms, please rush to your medical practitioner. So stay empowered, stay nourished, stay blessed.